Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to cancel Realm subscription on Minecraft Bedrock. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go and launch Minecraft Bedrock Edition on the device you use to start your Realm subscription. For example, you have subscribed on a phone, well, go ahead and open up your phone's Minecraft Bedrock, or on your computer, go ahead and open it up. Alright, and once that's done, just click on Settings. Now the last panel we have here, scroll all the way down, we have here subscriptions. Just click on it. And under Realms, you have a big cancel button in here, okay? So just go ahead and click on it, and after that, you'll be redirected to the store you used to subscribe, okay? So just basically follow simple prompts, and once done, you're good to go. Now, if you're using PlayStation, basically follow these steps right here, okay? Go to Settings, User and Accounts. In Account section, select Payments and Subscriptions, select Game and App Services, find and select Minecraft, then select your Realm subscription, and just turn off auto-renew. Alright, and there you have it. That's how simple it is to cancel a Realm subscription on Minecraft Bedrock. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.